see him. We're right here. There's no snow coming up here. Take a picture. He can jump up there. He can jump down in that water and climb up those steps to get to drink.
I don't know.
Oh yeah.
You guys see him good? Isabel, you see that tiger walking back there? He's just chilling out.
Off in the distance,
like Tony the
you can see
Tiger.
our Bantang, the largest species of cattle. The bull stands 6'8" at the shoulder, weighs 1,800 pounds, and he is not yet fully grown.
Yeah, how come my tiger's not eating him?
Does he play basketball?
Does that tiger like sausage like? They're great. Right, come on guys, let's roll. Probably the next thing.
Wait, you want to see the tiger? Better hurry. Oh, he's not here now. Tiger's not here.
Hey, Aiden's got the map. He's gonna show us the rabs all the time.
Okay.
Where you at, dog?
The tiger again.
Yep, it's still.